Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Temu due to suspicious activity. So let's get into the video. So if you have these suspicious activity issues, so what you can do, firstly, open up Temu. So open up Temu and make sure you're logged into your account. So once you've logged into your account, a couple of things that you can do to eliminate this issue is that firstly, get to your U tab here. Click on the U tab, and then what you can do, scroll down and go to settings. And then when you get to your settings, click on account security and try to update your mobile number and email address, because if you add these two details, then your account will be verified better, so you have a better security protection. So this can help you eliminate the issue. And apart from that, if you still have issues with Temu, so what you can do, you can simply go to your app info, like open up your app information here and then click on the storage option, go to the storage option, and here try to clear the data and your cache. So try to clear these two, and this should actually fix the app issues. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.